Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green banana powder. We'll cover everything from selecting the right bananas to the final grinding process. This homemade powder is a fantastic way to boost your nutrition and add a unique ingredient to your pantry. It's surprisingly easy to prepare, and you'll love the fresh quality. Let's get started with the first crucial step. First, choose very green, firm bananas. Ripeness affects the starch content. Wash them well under running water to ensure they are clean. Peeling can be tricky. A good tip is to cut off both ends, then make a shallow slit along the length of the peel. This helps you remove the skin cleanly, leaving no stringy bits behind.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your homemade green banana powder or any other ingredients. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once peeled, slice your green bananas into thin, even pieces, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Uniform slices ensure even drying. Spread them in a single layer on dehydrator trays or baking sheets if using an oven. Dry them at a low temperature, around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, until they snap easily, which can take several hours or even overnight. After drying, let the banana slices cool completely to prevent clumping during grinding. Transfer the brittle pieces to a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them until you achieve a very fine powder. For an extra smooth consistency, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve, regrinding any larger pieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.